How to use Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Play Store application on your device and search for Spotify just to make sure you have an updated version of the Spotify application. So as you can see, I have no options of the updates option over here, which means we have the latest version of Spotify application. So let's tap on open. As you tap on open, make sure that you're logged into your account. You can use a Google account, your any other email account as well. So you can simply use your login credentials. So I'm going to simply tap on login and I'm going to select an account to continue over here. And as you select on it, you'll be able to log into your account. Now after logging into your account, what you can do is you can listen to any songs of your favorite artist or favorite podcast as well. So you can simply give access to different things over here. So here you can simply tap on the search icon at the bottom and search for any songs that you'd like to listen to. Tap on your library to see all the playlists that you have created or that you have liked as an artist. You can also go for premium versions by trying different and joining different premium versions. And next is to create. You can create playlists, collaborative playlist, and combine your friends' taste into a playlist as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.